Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bonk. I wanted to make a full video here. We hit the price target we talked about in the last video, which was this major resistance level here at 6,000, which is a psychological resistance level, but you also have the 1.618 FIB there of this entire move down here. So in general, very strong resistance level. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on the price of Bonk right here, what to expect, what's possible, etc. Right, at the moment we are still bullish, even though I would say at least on the lower time frames, because I mean if you zoom out, obviously we can still pull back a lot before turning bearish. But on the lower time frames, I do think we are at the last level we need to hold to actually stay bullish. And overnight, we actually got some bullish news, or at least I would say it's bullish news, because Bonk actually got a listing on Bybit. All right, Bybit is the biggest Korean exchange. If you don't know, it's a little bit of a blind spot for a lot of people. But Bybit or the Korean market is a huge crypto market. All right. So getting an Bybit listing actually is quite bullish. That's also why I think we got some of this bullish momentum here, and just in general volatility. But now, even with that positive news, even with that bullish momentum we had, it's still a major resistance level, right? And we cannot just easily break through that. You actually need some strong momentum. And I would say if you take a look at Bonk right here, the momentum right here is not the best thing to look at. I would say this is not the full data. But if we're taking a look at the price, like I said, the main level we are at right now, at least on the 1 hour time frame, and I do want to stress, I think Bonk will stay relatively strong here. All right, so when we're looking at the 4 hour time frame, like I think Bonk can drop down to this level right here at 46 and 4400, and then it is still technically bullish, but it is a drop of about 19%. All right, so I do think Bonk will stay bullish. But whether we are going to be able to break above this level at 6,000 on the short term, or whether it's more likely that we'll have a bigger pullback, I'm not sure about at the moment. All right, what we're seeing from Bonk at the moment is that it was pushed up a lot by that Solana strength. All right, Bonk is Solana beta, so if Solana performs well, Bonk performs well as well. Volume right now is up a lot because of that Bybit listing. As you can see, it's up from yesterday 1.44 billion to 3.14 billion right now. So that's incredible. That's very, very bullish. And it's also still slightly going up. But like I said, right now, the most important thing on the lower time frames is, can we actually hold this level right here at 5,300? That's the main thing to look at. And I would say, looking at the technicals right now, I would say it's most likely that we will be able to hold this level right here. But to break above this high right here, I usually a listing like this is a bit of a top signal. I think meme coins in general have become a little bit weaker, or at least they have lost a little bit of momentum. So if Bitcoin goes up to all-time highs and meme coins start to follow that, then yes, it's obviously possible that we'll get up to that next target at 7,000. And I would almost say that this is at the moment most likely if we're taking a look at the technicals. But it feels like, and I never like to do that, but it feels like this is a local top. All right, and that it is more likely that we'll consolidate here. And if we're able to hold this consolidation for a long time, then I was wrong. All right, but for now, I think it's most likely that we'll consolidate here, and that then we will have a little bit of a deeper pullback into this level right here under 5,000, find support there, consolidate, and then from there break above 6,000 and head up to those price targets. I would say that's most likely. All right, but I will keep you updated on this. I will monitor this extensively, and if I have a little bit more of a clear idea on Bonk, I'll be back. But for now, that's what I think you need to know. Those are the circumstances. That's the news. So yeah, I'll see you on my next videos. Take care today, and bye.